Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3, guys. I'm glad you're here. If you hear some tapping around, that's my Lido dog. He's been coming and going in and out of my studio for the past 30 minutes or so. I'm playing. It's one of my favorite things to do. I found when we brought some stuff back from our storage unit on Hilton Head Island, I opened a box and found about 20 floating frames. And so I'm determined to fill them with some art. Now, the only bad thing is some of them are odd sizes. This is a 12 by 16. I couldn't find a 12 by 16 deep edge canvas, but what I have done in the past is I have taken, you can see this is a nice canvas. It's not the deep edge, but you can still put it inside your frame, but it sits back a little bit, and believe it or not, I'm kind of digging on that. It gives it kind of a shadow box look. So that's what I'm going to do with this little baby. We are working today on a level 2 canvas from Artist Loft. It's a 12 by 16. Nice little size, good size to practice with. And we're working with some pretty colors. I got some beautiful colors from Deco Art in the mail the other day, and I want to play with them. Now we're going to do a split base coat on this painting. We're going to be doing a swipe. In this container right here, we have our Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. One of my favorite base coat colors. It's self-leveling, it's not a heavy body paint, it's easy to mix, and the price is good. The other base coat color will be Artist Loft Soft Body Acrylics in the white. So that's our base coat color. We're going to put it this way, black on one side, white on the other side, and swipe some colors across it to see which we like better, the black side, the white side, or if we like them together. So we're playing. Let's talk about our colors. This is one of the new colors I got from Deco Art, and I absolutely love it. And I have the wrong bottle. Let me grab that. There we go. This yummy color right here is Deco Art Americana in their new Pearls line, and that is their baby blue. And I don't know if you can see that, but there's lots of pearl action going on in there. That's a pretty shade of blue. In this yummy cup, we have Deco Art Extreme Sheen in the Sapphire. But I added a little bit of the Deco Art Baby Blue in the Pearl to it. So it's just a yummy color. I know that say that all the time, but let's take a look at that as well as our consistency. It's our swiping consistency. Our pouring medium today on all these paints, except for one, is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a squirt of GAC 800. This right here, yummy goodness as well. It's a beautiful pearl white. Let's take a look at that consistency. It's kind of like a nice hair conditioner. It runs off your popsicle sticks, leaves just a little bit of a trace before it dissipates into the paint below. And that is Deco Art Extreme Sheen, and that is their pearl. I love my Deco Art paints, guys. The price is good. I just wish they had bigger bottles. And I know you do too, guys. It's a nice option to have. This is decadent. I really love this. Let me see if you could see that. Do you see that beautiful silver goodness? That's a yummy combination right there. That is... where the heck are we? That is Golden Fluid Acrylics in the iridescent silver, as well as the Deco Art Metallics in the tin. Deco Art sent me this to play with, and it makes me smile big, guys. I love my silvers. I love my grays, and those two together are absolutely fabulous. This is a fun paint, guys. I just got this in the mail today. Do you see the shimmer in that? It's a beautiful color. That is our Tessa Pearl Space Gray. So we're getting our blues, our pearls, and our grays on. Now, 2 swiping colors right in this cup right here, mixed with 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex, and a splash of GAC 800 is Artist Loft Soft Body in their black. So this is mixed up the same way these other swiping colors are mixed up. This one right here, same consistency as our other colors, leaves just a little bit of a trace before it dissipates into the paint below. But it's got a big old A on the front of it, guys. And what is that? I found this tucked away in my closet and I haven't used it in a while, but that is mixed with just the Amsterdam pouring medium. Now, I have used this before and it was cell crazy, cell mania. Now, when I did use it, I mixed it with all of my swiping colors and it was off the charts crazy. So today we're just mixing it with one. That is in the cup with the A on it. So we're just going to do some comparison. Look at the cells, compare the Amsterdam pouring medium to my usual swiping pouring medium, 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a hefty squirt of golden GAC 800. Now guys, come to our Fluid Art Boutique in DC this coming May. I am going to teach you all the tricks of the trade. This girl has no secrets and I would love to show you everything that I've learned in this 2-year pouring journey, guys. We are just paying it forward, myself and 3 very, very talented ladies, Mina Villegas, Sarah Mac from Sarah Mac Art, and lovely Karen Dershon from Waterfall Acrylics. We hope to see you there, guys. It's going to be a party. It's going to be fun, and I'm excited because it's my old hometown. So there you have it. I am going to put some tunes on. I'm going to dance around. My man Rick is out of town, so it's just me and Lito loves to dance with his mama. So let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy, guys.